Free EAs can really f your account, and by saying that I mean you can literally lose all of your money. In $1,000 account I kept the best free gold EAs from the MQL5 marketplace, but my account was almost completely blown. However, that was a good lesson and I'm excited to show you which is the cheapest EA that generates great profits. So that's the live account I am talking about. You can see that initially it went on a small profit, but then it lost. It went sideways and a dramatic loss from some of the EAs. And that is really $1,000 live account that I opened with FXView. If I go to overview, you will see that it started with $1,000 and it dramatically lost the balance. And we really tried. Believe me, I really wanted to find the best free gold robot from the MQL5 marketplace, because usually what happens when beginners land on the marketplace, they see the free section and they think, alright, why should I purchase EAs if there are free ones? And I still think that some of those are worth testing, but my idea was to trade in this $1,000 live account the best of all free gold robots that we found with my team. And Matt from my team placed on a demo account many of the free gold robots, and you can see some crazy trading going on in here, hundreds and thousands of trades. And I shared with you in a video that the only possible way to track the performance is via FXBlue or my FXBook. So in this account we are tracking the results from all expert advisors, and we are keeping the top 3 profitable expert advisors in that live account. So we wanted to maintain in the live account only the profitable ones that are currently profiting on the demo account. At first it was the intra gold, the turtle, the cap, then we used the Wall Street breakout, then we removed it and we placed the cap breakout again. And at the end of the day there was just one left that is still profiting. And if I show it to you on the live account, I will go to stats, which are horrible, but stay with me because there is a light at the end of the tunnel for free expert advisors. But I'll just click on strategy and I'll show you that this expert advisor with a magic number 447623113, which is the cap breakout, you will see it in the sheet from Matt. This expert advisor is still profitable in the live account, even though it generated just $40 after nearly 100 trades. And you may say, alright, then we will just trade the cap. But if I show you the demo account where we are testing all of them and I arrange them according to the net profit, you will see that this expert advisor is unfortunately on the bottom with a loss of $1,500 after over 200 trades. So unfortunately it's not an expert advisor I can depend on. And before I show you the light at the end of the tunnel that I was talking about for free expert advisors, I want to point out something very important as well. This live account I was trading on FXView and I almost lost the account. And if you're a beginner you might think, okay, it's not the EAs, probably it's the broker that makes your account balance disappear. Well, I have another real account with FXView that is profitable. I've made over 20% of return, and that's with one of the cheapest expert advisors on the market that I will show you at the end of the video. And in fact, FXView is one of the best brokers I found to trade with real money. I can start with €200, which I usually use for scalping robots. And if I just show you a little bit more from the broker, you will see that they have MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which makes them compatible for expert advisors. And down on the bottom you can see all of the regulations from the broker. So pretty much they cover all countries except US and a few more, but you can check your regulation if you are located in Europe, in in Italy or in Spain. And what I really like about the broker is that I can fund my account with many different options. I'll leave the link to FXBlue down below in the description if you want to start with a small account or test any EA with a demo account. And now let me show you the free Forex account where we were also trading the top expert advisors from plenty that we chose from MQL5, but this real account is actually profiting and it made above 16% since the end of December. You can see that initially there was a drop. This drawdown is calculated at 18.86% from my FX book, but since that it's been growing really steadily. And of course I can show you which are the EAs I'm currently trading on this live account. It is the Grid Machine, Cadence FX and the Shuttle Runner, and these three EAs are the top performers from many that we are testing on a demo. And I'm talking about that crazy account where I have plenty of charts, many EAs that my team member Nikos is managing, and I'm glad that at least we found free Forex EAs that work well on live environment. And about gold, we really tried. At the beginning of the video I said that I will show you a cheap expert advisor. Actually these are two expert advisors that I recently found. One is the Forex Gold Investor, which I've shown in a few videos. It passed a 200k challenge fully automatically for me. Let me just check what's the current price. It has 60-day money back guarantee, which is pretty cool, and I see they have a promotion, so at the time of recording the video it sits at $237, which is really low compared to the competition. And as well their track record is trustworthy because I've compared it with many of my accounts, and especially recently it's showing great results. You can see a return over 400% since October 2020. And the other expert advisor I'm already trading is Gold Scalper Pro, which is in a similar price range. Let me just check at the bottom what's the current price. It is $197. It is suitable as well for prop firms, and it has a very promising track record. You can see that since December 2022 it gained steadily above 200%. But keep in mind that these are gold scalping robots, so there will be drawdowns from time to time, but overall it is profiting, especially recently. And I started testing the gold scalper back in November. You can see that there was a small drop, but since then the growth is steadily going upwards. I'm planning to put it on a small live account and probably a challenge so I can share some real results with you, but until the moment the Forex Gold Investor is the better option for me because I've tested it already on a few accounts. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, and before you go, check out this video on my side to see how it passed the 200k challenge fully automatically. As always, I thank you so much for watching my videos and staying with me until the end. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.